Holy shit. Like, what? Like, which? Like, what's the level of friendship? You know, who are we talking about here? Like, what? Alright, that's a good call. Hang on, let me call, hold on. Hey, John, do you think you would betray me someday?
I need more details. What are like the circumstances, just in general in life?
You don't get any, I guess, because I don't get any.
I mean, no, I can't think of any good reason, unless you, like, killed a family member of mine. No, I don't think so.
Alright, thanks, man. Bye.
Alright, bye. Love you.
Ah, shit. Now I gotta type I love him later.
So that's the one you chose.
Yeah, I'll send it to him now.
Consider tonight's trial the midpoint. Only the truly skilled will survive from here on out. The trials will only get longer, so there's no time to waste.
Then hurry the hell up. I'll get out of here before the night is over.
Very well. I'll take you to the next level.
I mean, John did betray me in Minecraft before, but then it said, do you think your friends will betray you? That had happened. Jund would never do it again, guys. Come on. Whoa. Looks a pretty even split there of maybe or eh. Guys are super unsure about their friends. Damn! The girls are even more unsure. Whoa! That's crazy. Wow. Huh. Well. Interesting how that works out. Reminder, the men and women for mine is the men and women in their 20s and 30s, so that's why the stats are different here, because that's other players' first-time data, so that's like every demographic. That's wild, though.
It's a race against time on this long staircase.
Oh.
Use the items to your advantage and reach the door before you lose your footing.
It's more about your own trust issues. That's true. It said could not would. I know. I noticed after. I remember this start. Like, as like not remixed version, but like old game version, yeah. Wait. No, I like where I was at, actually. Hold up. Nice. I have to take it. Ew, ants! Heck out of here. You're gross.
How's this? This? Alright, I got it.
Oh man. This seems so familiar. But I know I never, I didn't play Remix normally because Remix wasn't in the original game, right? Maybe I should have kept that one in. I think I've hecked it up by pulling it out. Don't you hate it when that happens? Shit! Maybe.
Calm down.
You can still fight.
Can I though? I mean,
Just calm down.
You can still fight.
all right, we're gonna restart that. All right, I got too hyper focused on one thing. I needed to expand my viewing. If you look at one thing for too long, your brain just starts to go to mush.
This.
Wait a second.
Undo. Undo. Edge. Edge.
Alright, I got it.
No. That looks like a bad mistake I made there, huh? Uh-oh. Actually, yeah, I think... Yeah, just... There goes the rest of the level. There it all goes! I never watched the whole level leave me like that before.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Oh, shit. Alright, I do like this start here, though, so I can keep this at least. And then pull this out so I can grab this. And that. Excellent. Okay. Now, why did I want to do this? Did I want to do this?
Alright, I got it.
Shucks.
Just calm down.
Protect Vincent.
Just calm down.
I'll support you.
Now's my chance.
Undo.
Wait, what?
Edge. Undo.
Oh, okay. Well, I definitely feel, like we're hacked. I guess I could just, like, live here.
Fudge.
This is my home now.
Edge.
Good hustle. Damn it. Alright. What have I done here? Let's see.
May you rest in peace.
Now's not the time to be dead.
What?
Whoa.
Whoops.
Just calm down.
There you go. Oh, because there's a spider in the way. Gross.
Alright, I got it.
Alright.
Undo. Undo.
No.
Can't die here.
I want to help.
No.
Bear it.
Damn it.
Undo. Edge.
Okay. How about this? But then we're just back at this problem again, where I kill the whole thing. No. Okay, I cannot pull this out. I keep pulling the green out. I think I have to not?
May you rest in
Let's see.
peace.
Now's not the time to be dead.
on, dog.
Edge. Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge. Edge.
Alright. Push the green, maybe.
Edge.
Yeah, that seems worse.
Edge.
No way. Maybe push that.
Edge.
Nope.
Undo. Undo.
I just did that. No,
Edge.
fuck it.
Undo.
That'll blow up.
Edge. Edge. Undo.
Yeah, I do need it. Okay.
Got it.
Edge. 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 Edge.
Ah, such a Alright. Wait, no, this was a. Oh no.
I can't die here.
You can
Right.
still fight.
Now's my chance.
Can I though? Can I? I don't think I can.
All right, I got it.
Edge.
Wait, no!
Undo.
Oh! There was a chance! I didn't see this spring block.
Edge. Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge. 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 Undo. Edge. Edge. Undo.
I don't know if I like what I'm doing here.
Edge. 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 Undo. Undo. Edge. 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 Undo. Undo. Edge. 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 Edge.
Crap. How do I get down now, though?
Undo. Edge.
Oh,
Edge.
I guess that works.
What am I gonna do?
But now I can't get up.
Dear.
Edge.
Barrett.
Edge. Edge.
Edge.
Edge. Edge.
I've made my whole life harder. I think a lot of people can relate to that.
Edge. Edge.
Fall! Not you. I meant the blocks above me. All right,
Now's not the time.
we're making
to
progress.
Edge.
Oh, god damn it.
Undo.
Heck off, Ann.
Edge.
Time to remember exactly what I did here.
Edge. Undo.
I think I did that. And then, nope.
Undo.
No, actually, I have no idea what I did now. Crap. I do not believe I pulled that, though. That does not seem right. Alright, we're just gonna chill out. God damn it. What did I do? Did I hear you talk to your aunt that way? Alright. You're right. That was wrong. I need to be nicer to my aunt. I wonder if I could just... That! Later.
Out of the way. Sorry.
This looks good.
All right, I got it.
I do want this though.
I got it. Like this.
It should not actually. Yeah, that doesn't do anything for me. I need to get up here. Fuck it. Frick it. I need to stop swearing so much. I'm so sorry. It must hurt your soul. Okay. Here's where we left off last time.
Keep going.
Now's my chance.
There's just too much! There's just too much! Oh Lord. Oh Lord. I have no clue. At that point, I really hacked everything up there. UBT Ho, Minty Peas, and Mr. Turtle.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Okay. Nope.
Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge.
Sorry. Alright, I got it.
Undo. Edge. Edge. Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge. 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 Edge.
What am I gonna do?
You're fine.
Melody.
Don't pee in his Melanie! Oh my god.
Edge. 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 Undo. Edge. Undo.
Shit.
Edge. Undo. Edge. Edge. Undo. Edge. 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 Undo. Edge. Edge. Edge.
Might have hacked everything up here again.
Edge. Edge. Edge.
Alright, one more chance. One more chance. One more chance! Go! No, there was a checkpoint right there! No! Alright, I'm really close to a checkpoint. I just gotta figure out how to actually do that area still.
Undo.
Actually, just do it like that.
Sorry.
Actually, you know what? You know what? Also?
Undo. Undo.
Got it.
Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge. 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 Undo.
Actually, what does this do?
Edge. 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 Undo. Edge. Undo. 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 Edge. Undo. Undo.
Crap. What am I doing? This is so stupid. What am I doing with myself? I could do this so much better, I'm sure. Move, please. Ant, buddy, come on, dog.
Undo.
Oh my god, Ant. Dude, please!
Just calm down.
Vincent, no!
Thank you.
Barrett.
Yeah, I... God damn it.
Undo. Undo.
I need to somehow go be on the left side there. The left side is the way to get up. It's okay.
May you rest in peace.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Can you just change my angle?
Sorry.
I want that.
Got it.
Undo.
Alright, I got it. I got it.
Okay.
Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge. 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 Edge.
No.
Undo. Undo.
Alright, something like this? No.
Undo. Edge.
Damn it, I need to...
Can't die here.
I'll support you.
Now's my chance.
Dude, I'm so lost. Ah, man. Alright.
Whoa!
Okay.
You rest in peace.
Now's not the time.
I need to find a way to get up here without using everything. If that's even possible. I think I've already killed myself, actually. Can we get more energy drinks? Only the 3 charges on the one.
Now's not the time to be dead.
So... this is how we normally would get up here, right? Ah.
Alright, I got it.
That'll save us an energy drink. Oh.
Can't die here.
Assuming we can actually progress still. Apparently we can. Nice. This is really good. Wait, no. No. I've already hacked it up. No! Shit! Alright, whatever. It's fine.
Alright, I got it.
It's not.
Alright, I got it.
I had to use the darn thing we just got. What? Oh, god damn it.
Undo.
Oh, alright, you know what? Don't think about this. Alright, chat, we have another hour until
Rest in peace.
Now's not the time to be
Warsaw.
dead.
What's up, Magenta? How you doing? How did we do this? Alright, we pulled this out.
Alright, I got it.
Undo.
Oh.
Undo.
That was a good run. Somehow I blew up something.
May you rest in peace, old man.
How long have we been playing Warsaw? About
Now's
2
not
hours.
the time to be dead.
Undo.
Was it like that?
Alright, I got it.
Okay, I think that's the one I did. There we go. And then that's gonna drop this one. And then we can go here. And that's where we can drop here. And now we're up. And now we will not break that. Alright, we still have one more jump.
Undo.
Alright, I got it. I got it. Alright, I got it.
Alright. No!
Undo. Undo.
It just pulled me down. That freaking ant just...
Rest in peace, old man.
Oh my god.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Oh my god. Alright.
Undo.
Twice, pull back.
Alright, I got it.
Undo.
Alright, I got it.
Last time that didn't fall for some reason. Weird. War to ants? Always.
Alright, I got it.
Undo.
What's the book for? Removes all enemies, except I would drop my energy drink if I picked it up.
Alright, I got it.
I did it again.
Undo.
Alright, I got it.